Hello friends, if you remember, I have already published a video in which I have already explained that what is meant by supervision business. Okay, basically what you have to do in a supervision business. But in today's video we will see that what is basically a construction with material type business or a format. Basically in this type you have to provide a service along with the technical supervision. You have to take the care of all materials and labor also. So basically I will say that you just have to hand over the key to the owner. So from excavating work, from site clearance to the finishing work is all included in this method or in this business. Now the question is basically who is your client. Look, if you study this business, you can say that even the government sector or a private companies are also your client, but for the ease of this video I am just limiting this video up to the private or individual construction, that is residential construction. Or now if you want to start this business, then what kind of skill required for this business? The first one is basically the basic and detailed study of subject that are related to the construction. For example, building drawing, then building estimation, then building construction material, okay, then construction management. All these subjects are related to the construction. So you need to focus over this subject, and if you have a basic and a detailed study of this subject, then this business is very easy for you. Then there is no need to worry about it. Then the other skill requirement is communication, which is very common for all businesses. And other and very important factor is that study of market. You need to clear about market rates, then your market contacts, okay, because you are dealing with the material and labor. So yes, the market study is also very important skill requirement for this business. Now the question is what kind of qualification and experience are required for this business to become a successful contractor in a private sector. I will say that the minimum qualification criteria for this business is diploma in civil engineering, okay. Then if you are talking about the experience, then I will say that a minimum 1 year of on-site construction experience is required for this business, and that will be very helpful for you to become a successful private contractor in this sector. So do you need any kind of a registration? Yes, if you want to become a legal private contractor, in that case you need to register at your local authority, that is municipal corporation or council. I will provide the detailed video about that, how you can register as a civil engineer or architect. Now let's discuss about your earning from this business. Look, if you start this business, after some year you will be able to earn minimum 30,000 from each site. This earning may vary with type of construction you are getting or type of site you are getting. The other factor is place where you are working. So basically your business area also affect your earning. And the last and most important factor is that your experience and work quality, basically output quality. Very important factor is how much we need to invest for this business. Look, at the initial basis there is no need for any kind of official setup, okay. So basically you are going to invest over your skill set, that is software, okay, required for this business. Then subject, or I will say that skills study subject wise, for example construction material, then estimate. So you have to study all these subjects. So yes, that time is also a kind of a investment, okay. After some year, if you are getting a positive response from your client, so that yes, it is mandatory after that time to set up your office, because once you set up your office your client will increase, and that will be very helpful for your earning. So after some time there is need of office setup. So I will say that at the initial stage, yes, there is no need of official office setup, so your investment is very less at the initial base, okay. So let's wrap up this video with the topic of future scope. Look, if you want to become a government contractor and want to earn much more money as compared to this business, or you want to join a reputed firm or a private company, in that case I will say that this business experience is very helpful for you. In both cases